So as you can see, we got New York behind us, which is Manhattan. So we got a mop. That's apparently that's how they clean their mops and dirty water. So they give it a little spiel. I don't know if you guys can hear the audio.
America's independence and to be a symbol of friendship between France and the United States. In fact, it has since become a universal symbol of our nation's freedom, opportunity, security, and future.
So yeah, it's your boy, Travels with Preston. So we up and at 'em this morning. It's a little breezy, but you know, when you're over 250, every day's hot. So I'm my man Brian the Bearded Beast. He's on the phone right now. But so right now we're walking to link up with my man Earl. Should be there in a couple of minutes, I guess. But we're gonna link up with him, and this morning we have, what we have? Okay, we got the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island tour today, which I think is about 2 to 3 hours. So we'll see how that goes. Got my cup of Joe. But so we got that. What else we have? We got the One World Observatory later on today as well. We don't really have a time frame for that, but sometime today we're going to go there. And we're also going to try to do some museums and things of that nature and just record, you know, just throughout the day, see what we see. So I guess this is my second day here. And like I said, man, we had fun yesterday, walked around. I didn't record everything, but we did hit a couple of, so we went to Koreatown. Went to Koreatown, had some of that spicy beef bulgogi, which is bomb. No, we're good. Thank you, sir. You too. So we had that and a couple of drinks. We went to a couple of different bars, mostly Irish bars. And I think by the end of the night, we ended up getting some pizza. Because, you know, it's New York. You can't come to New York without getting pizza. The pizza was good. Definitely on my next trip when I go to Brooklyn, I want to see how Brooklyn do it. Because, you know, Brooklyn's supposed to be the mecca of pizza besides, like, Italy or whatever. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. And we should be at Earl's Hotel in a couple minutes. And let's see. Okay. I'll just look it up ahead, make sure everything's copacetic. All right, so we just linked up. Got Earl, he here. So we just took an Uber from, what is that? Times Square, Manhattan, whatever. And now we at Battery Park, is where they link up for the tour. So they recommend getting there 30 minutes early. We're not 100% sure where we're supposed to be at, but a random police officer told us and we're in the general vicinity. So, where? Oh. So Earl, he can read and write. So he just picked up on a sign and all right, so we just got through security and Earl's talking shit.
You went more steps than me today.
He's mad that I got more steps than him yesterday.
Yeah, I
so
am mad.
He's a little butthurt. I did like 26,000 steps or something like that.
I only did 22.
Sounds like poor man numbers.
I'm already 1,200 up on them today, so
ooh,
we're gonna see.
Ooh,
every step you take, I'm taking. I'm right behind you.
Sound like step by step. A pause? All right, so everybody's beating me in steps right now because they did some extracurricular stuff this morning. So
Everybody in last place always got a reason why they in last place.
See, this is the reason why, as a people, we can't come together over steps. Steps cannot bring us together, all right? So like I said, we just got done through security. We're gonna wait out here. And I guess the ferry should be coming in about 15 minutes or so. So as you can see, we're moving. I'm at the very top of the boat. A lot of people didn't show up since we've been here. Turn this around. That's where we came from. The white building was like the checkpoint with security. And then this is where we're going. Well, let's go like that. So as you can see, we got New York behind us, which is Manhattan. So we got a mop. That's apparently that's how they clean their mops in dirty water. So they give it a little spiel. I don't know if you guys can hear the audio.
America's independence and to be a symbol of friendship between France and the United States. And that has since become a universal symbol of our nation's freedom, opportunity, security, and future.
So we're getting kind of close. Let me see.
Our history is intact.
So yeah, guys, this is Liberty Island Museum. Good overview of New York's skyline. This big American flag looking so beautiful. Liberty Bike, Statue of Liberty. The docks where we came in from. So I'm just gonna take this in and enjoy the moment. All right, guys. So we came up top to get a better view up top. So you can see the skyline. View of the flag and Lady Liberty. So we're actually on top of the museum right now. All right, so we over here at the Liberty Bike. The Ambassador of Freedom. That's on the hog. Straight boss hog. So these are the guys that made it, which looks like, Orange County Choppers created this masterpiece. So if anybody knows them, they do a lot of good work. So yeah, that bike was awesome. That chrome, well not chrome, but copper, I guess. Look like you got a 320 tire on the back. I feel like Earl.
I didn't say nothing, man.
It was not Earl.
That was you.
I didn't say nothing.
Okay. I feel like Brian the Bearded Beast had a comment in. But Earl, Earl had that look. You know what I'm saying?
I was like, you out here breaking down like the bike that and there.
Yeah, it's a 320 tire on the back. That's really fire. I always wanted a 320, but you lose your handling when you get tired like that. Not handling. Well, yeah. When you're turning, it's more of a straight line tire. So we just came inside, took a quick break inside the museum. So this is what's going on in the museum. And like I said, this is all part of the tour. It's all one ticket. So it's a lot of history. Like you see, equality, suffrage, independence, opportunity, rule of law, revolution. So this is like the construction of Liberty, a plaster ear. See old Liberty big toe. You know what I'm saying? See that big toe? statue's finger. So yeah, you can see a lot of construction and stuff like that. We got little videos of how they molded it. Some of the tools. So this is the Eiffel's Tower interior structure. Oh, so it's Eiffel's Tower, obviously, because this is the guy right here. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So I didn't even know they had that. So this is the structural model, but as you can see, it goes deep underneath the Statue of Liberty. That's very, very interesting. So you see you got two big cross beams that go up on the spine. So these are the different designs that they was thinking about putting the actual Statue of Liberty on. So this one was from 1882. This one is 1883 design. And then this is the final design, what it looks like in 1884. So I guess this is raising francs and stuff like that to pay for this. They got decorative ribbons, bottles of look like wine maybe. The monument book. So it's supposed to be a memorial to their independence. So raising dollars. Oh, this is pretty cool. The people formed the picture, I guess, into Lady Liberty. A gift from the people of the Republic of France. So I got little Legos over there, M&Ms. Obviously, it was in Planet of the Apes. And they also have a theater. So this is a view. It says Earth Cam. So I'm not sure if this is live, but I'm going to have to assume it probably is live. We got the old nostrils. The face of the model of the face. So here So obviously this is the internal flame that's burning for liberty, as they say. So I guess they're showing how all the original design. So this is 1876 design. We move on to 1886. Then you have 1892. Then 1916. And then they have the restoration in 1986. Some of the pictures right here. So it says, why is the statue green? So the statue was the color of a reddish brown penny. Over time, the statue's skin turned green through condensation, a chemical reaction that occurs when copper is exposed to moist air. Obviously because it's on the water, so that makes perfect sense. Nature, science. And then they have a centennial restoration. Started in, I guess, 1980s, and then 1986. Yeah. So that's the tour of the museum. Hope you guys like it. I think it's pretty cool. So I think it looks pretty dope. It's a great design, you know. Like I said, but as an African American, liberty is, I feel, is so, I don't know the term I really want to use, but probably subjective. You know what I'm saying? As being a black man and living in America, a lot of times, we don't feel like we have those liberties. So the liberties that this is supposed to represent, the pursuit of happiness, things of that nature, what our founding fathers was trying to convey. So like I said, the ideal is cool, but we all know in America, it's not always, the perception is crazy here. So just want to make sure I put that out. This is all Liberty Island. Make sure when you come to New York, you have to see it. Wasn't that much of trouble to get tickets. Just go online, reserve your time slots, and then just show up. All right, make sure you show up 30 minutes early. Dress for the occasion, whether it's rain, sleet, snow, whatever. I'm not sure if they cancel the tours on inclement weather. I'm not too sure about that, but make sure you go on their website, check that out. And like I said, this Travels to Preston coming from Liberty Island. All right, peace.